been a car enthusiast for the past 30 or 40 years, it's always been a little bit frustrating having to go to Massachusetts to really connect with a bunch of people who have exotic type cars or something other than a muscle car. So it's pretty nice to have a facility that brings everyone together.
I'm a huge car guy. I got like 12 or 13 vehicles. I got 4 muscle cars that are here on site, and I just love it.